Sand like sugar slipping through my hand. Waves hum a hymn only salt can understand. The gulls cry sharp, the sky's a torn sheet. The ocean breathes heavy where the land and sea meet. Oh, the salt on the breeze, it calls to me, like a whisper, like a memory. The sun sinks slow, the day set free. Oh, the salt on the breeze, it carries me. Driftwood story scattered along the shore. Each one's been battered, each one's something more. The tide pulls secrets, then lays them bare, like it knows my heart and leaves it there. The wind sings songs it borrowed from the deep. I listen close, but the meanings slip and see.